Hello folks, today we are doing an inspection and I am looking at a breaker box, and what we're looking inside of this old breaker box, 1969, it's a stab bolt Federal Pacific box, and you know I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, but you know Federal Pacific. But what we got is we had some bad sheathing on the outside of the house, and this is the sheathing around our main coming through here, and that water's getting inside of here from outside, running down inside of here, right down all the way down, and then look right there, right in our bolts, it got rust happening in here. You know, rust creates that expands the screw. Now when it expands it, that means that now it's loose, and that's a fire hazard. But look at the rust you can see all up inside of here. But I wanted to bring you down here to this one here, and I wanted to show this one, and look at this wire right here. It literally has started to melt because it's the wrong size wire for this size breaker. It needs to be a 20 amp breaker. So anyway, that's what you're looking for, and that's when you see these kind of issues. And this fella here that I'm inspecting the house for, I've told him, you got to fix this, you got to replace this instantly. And I say the same thing to you folks. You see this in yours, get it fixed, call electrician out instantly. Well, thank you for watching our videos, folks. Hit like and subscribe. We appreciate your support, and God bless you.